Hello everyone, let's dive into the TESmart USB 3.0 HDMI KVM switch. This particular model is designed for those of us juggling two computers and craving a seamless dual monitor setup. The core function of this KVM switch is to allow you to control two computers with just one keyboard, mouse, and dual monitors. The TESmart KVM switch supports a resolution of 4K at 60 Hz, ensuring a crisp and clear display. It features two HDMI inputs and USB-B inputs for each computer and two HDMI outputs to connect to your monitors. This is a great solution for anyone who needs to switch between two systems without the hassle of constantly swapping cables. Setting up the TESmart KVM switch is straightforward. It supports two HDMI plus USB-B inputs and two HDMI outputs. The package includes the necessary input cables, which is a nice bonus. The build quality feels solid, thanks to its metal construction. The dimensions are compact enough to not clutter your desk, measuring approximately 11.81 by 4.33 by 1.18 inches. Switching between computers is easy, with both hotkey and button switch options available. The default hotkey is the right control key, but you can also change it to scroll lock or left control key, depending on your preference. The switch also features EDD emulators, which ensure that your computers recognize the monitors even when they are not actively connected to the KVM switch. This prevents any annoying display configuration issues when switching between systems. Beyond video, the TESmart KVM switch also handles audio and microphone connections. This is essential for anyone who needs to participate in video conferences or online meetings while switching between computers. The switch supports plug-in connectors and solder terminals, ensuring a stable and reliable connection. The TESmart KVM switch operates on a 12V DC operating voltage and has a current rating of 2 amps. It is compatible with HDMI 2.0, HDCP 2.2, and HDCP 2.3 specifications. The push-button switch type and panel mount design add to its user-friendly appeal. In summary, the TESmart USB 3.0 HDMI KVM switch is a versatile tool for anyone who needs to manage multiple computers with a single set of peripherals. Its support for 4K at 60 Hz, dual monitors, audio and microphone, and multiple switching options make it a worthwhile investment for improving productivity and streamlining your workspace.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.